Hello guys! Happy Saturday! Happy ba? Anyway, lumabas si ngayon, yung araw. Yung nakikita nyo, yan o, maliwanag siya. And look at guys, kasi yung pinapanood ko ngayon. Yan. Pinapanood ko ngayon si Sean and Habibi. Nakakatuwa, no? Natutuwa ako kapag nag-speak siya ng English, yung accent niya. Kasi it's true, yung accent natin, ganyan ba talaga? Ganyan ba ka-deep? But anyway, sila yung pinapanood ko ngayon. Ano bang mga errands ko ngayon? Alam nyo, alam ko hindi nyo pa alam, kasi maganda yung araw. Di ba sabi ko naman sa inyo, kapag maaraw, yung energy, mataas yung energy level natin. Tapos kapag cloudy, it's very depressing. O ano na nangyari? Nawala na si Oh yeah, isa pa yan, what do you call that? Si Brett. Yeah, nakakatuwa, no? Ang dami mga Pilipino. Yeah, since nung maliit siya, I've been watching him on YouTube. Tapos, na-enjoy ko yung pagkabading niya. Kasi he's just being real. But anyway, ang errands natin ngayon, baba na tayo. Ang errands natin ngayon marami kasi maaraw. Ang balak ko, magluluto ako ngayon ng dinuguan. Dapat magluluto ako ng Bicol Express, pero I realized na magluto muna tayo ng dinuguan. But before I show you everything, let me show you one thing. Okay, punta tayo sa Yan. Did you guys remember yung aking ampalaya? Ayan na siya ngayon. By the way, guys, if you guys are interested to this product, I will write the link down below. This product, it's supposed to be, they call it at Amazon, grow plants. It help the seeds to grow kasi nga, here in Indiana, it's always cloudy. If you guys are interested, you can buy this product to Amazon and to Walmart. And the same thing of the seeds starter kit, you can buy Walmart and Amazon also. And like I said, I put the link down the description below. And if you guys click it and you guys buy it, then I can get a commission. Right. Well, because guys, I didn't know that I am qualified for the affiliate program. So I start doing it. So you guys wish me luck. But anyway, I usually use this one. This kind. It works, but I think it's kind of broken now. So I tried to go shopping at Amazon. Amazon is my shopping online, yes. It's really cool because you can change the color. Let me show you guys. See, you can change from purple and to dark purple, and you can change it from warm light to that color. I like warm light because I want my seeds to think, na may araw, na may liwanag. Kasi nga, nandito siya sa aking pantry. As you guys can see, wala naman ditong araw. And then lately, it's been like 3 weeks, it's always so cloudy. Cloudy, yeah. So anyway, I will put the link below if you guys are interested. This light, I got it again from Amazon. And the seed starter, I got it from Walmart. But either way, you can get it from Walmart online and Amazon online. These two. This one, I start putting the ampalaya. I start planting the ampalaya seed, which is I bought it at Amazon also. And I will put the link again para malaman nyo or makita nyo kung saan ko kinukuha yung mga seeds ko. This year, I tried this small ampalaya, something different. So we'll see. Cross finger. But anyway, yeah, you guys can get this product at Amazon, and they are like, look, I'm 5'2", it's over here, and then you can raise it up like this high if you guys want. So I'm 5'2", maybe 5'5", 5. I mean, if you guys go to the description of this product anyway, it'll explain to you guys the size and what is the purpose, etc., etc. But anyway, this light is supposed to be for grow, help out the plants or the seed to grow. Kaya binili ko siya. And look guys, it's really cool because it's flexible. Like you can do like that, you can do it this way. It's really, really cool. Yeah. And see, that's one thing I like about this one. It's flexible and it's taller enough that if you don't have any room, if you don't have anything to hook up like that, they have a pad or tripod like that it can stand, and it can stand its own. And by the way, guys, let me show you this nice sweater that I have. And again, I got this product to Amazon. If you guys interested, I put the link down in my description below, and you guys can click it, and this mama can get some commission. But anyway, guys, I show it to you because, like I said, it's very comfy. Today the weather is not that really hot. It's really it's sunny, but it's chill a little bit, like a Baguio City vibes. But here in Indiana, it still chills, so this is perfect. It's not hot. It's just really comfy product. But anyway, it's really cute. As you guys can see, if you guys can read it, it said mama, mommy, mom, and bro. Yep. Sinong nakaka-relate dyan? Oh, bili na kayo. Go ahead and buy it. Whoever can relate in this sweater. It's really cute, guys. I admit it. It's very comfortable. I already washed this one in a washing machine. I already dry it, and it didn't shrunk or anything. So it's still perfect fit, very comfy. So if you guys interested, just please go to my description and click the link. Yes. And like I said a while ago, I didn't know that I was qualified for the affiliate program of YouTube. So I start doing it. So this is it, guys. And I'm going to do some errands and update it to you later on. Let's go. Let's get some haircut. Come on, Jason. Come here. Let me see your look before and after. All right. Nice, the weather, guys. So nice. I wish it's always like this. Jason's having a haircut before and after. Nandito na tayo, guys. I drop off Jason sa dun sa hair salon kasi ayoko maghintay ng 30 minutes. So ngayon, magsha-shopping tayo daw. Shopping lang daw, baka sakali. Aray ko, na-shock ako. Punta tayo sa Bell kasi ayoko mag-stay nakaupo doon ng 30 minutes. Anong gagawin ko? So pipick upin ko siya mamaya. Marami siya mga purses. Sabi ko, hindi ako gagastos. Sabi ko ha, maghanap lang ako ng mumurahin. Naku guys, matutrouble ako. Mga pabango. Nicki Minaj. Magkano siya? $24. It's okay. Minsan lang to. Okay guys, kababalik ko lang sa sakyan. At nakabili na naman ako. Kabili na naman ako. No, ito talaga yung ano ko, yung tawag nito, yung punteriya ko. I've been looking for this product kasi I like it. Yes, I like it. Nicki Minaj for me is not too powerful, like just light smell. It don't give you some kind of like headache. And I bought this one because I wear it at work. Alam mo na, sometimes you sweating like that. At least I have a little bit of, you know, some smell good. So I bought $2. This one and this one. So time to pick up Jason. I hope he's ready.
Why?
No, it's not bad. Oh, so how's your haircut? Good. You like it? See, before and after, handsome. Now let's go to Walmart. Finally guys, nakauwi na rin kami. Nakatapos na ng mga ibang errands. Today, right now, nagugutom na ako guys. I'm really hungry. Ang kinain ko lang kaninang umaga, nag-breakfast lang ako ng kape, tapos kumain ng tinapay. Anyway, today, di ba ang menu, gagawa tayo ng Bicol style na dinuguan. Naikat ko na yung meat nung isang araw, nung maaga kaming pinauwi. Tapos sabi ko, ngayon ko na lang siya lulutuin. But anyway, let me show this one to you guys. Look, ang dami ko na namang binili. Oh. Ang dami ko na namang biniling saging. Kasi, everyday, kumakain ako ng dalawang ganito everyday. Inaalmusal ko sa umaga, tapos kung ano yung tira ko, kakainin ko ulit sa trabaho. Kasi nga, paborito ko talaga guys yung turon. It's my favorite talaga. So, ayan. Nahulog. Anyway, ayan. Nakita niyo ba? Ito yung aking saba dito sa Amerika. Oh, meron pa nung isang araw. Kasi kung minsan, kung hindi ko siya bibilihin ng maramihan, nauubo siya agad. Tapos, na-overripe. Kaya pag ako nakakita ng maganda, kasi tignan mo guys, oh, ang laki talaga niya. Maganda yung pagkahinog niya. But anyway, pag maganda yung size, yung taba niya, binibili ko na siya ng maramihan. Kasi, ano na to, good for 2 weeks. Kasi everyday. Tapos, may isa pa nga akong sweet potato. Pwede rin ako magluto ng bilo-bilo. Isang ganito, 2 saba, sold na ako. Tapos may malagkit tayo, at saka yung, what do you call that one? The boba, good na. And I wanna share this one to you guys. Look! Diba sabi ko naman sa inyo, nung dati nagre-request kayo sa akin ng gumawa ako ng mango bravo cake. And I said, I can't do it kasi tapos na yung season. Ngayon, nasa spring, papunta na tayo ng summer. O, tignan nyo. O, di ba? Meron na naman tayong mangga. Si Mister, maraming binibili nito kasi pag malamig, pag hinog na siya, kinakat niya ng maliit, tapos nilalagay niya sa Ziploc bag, tapos pinifreezer niya. Kasi nga, di ba, like I said, lang siya, what do you call that? Season. It's only sale for season. And I think this kind of mango, I think it's from Mexico. Yeah, ina-export nila dito. Mexico, ina-export dito sa Indiana. So ngayon, magluluto naman tayo ng ating dinuguan. Because I'm so hungry. I already cut the meat. It's right here. Ito, baka pang Bicol Express ko to. And then, nandito ang ating dinuguan. Guys, this is pork blood. And you know how much this one? $5 or $3.99 or $4.99. That's how expensive the pork blood over here. Pero syempre, nagkikrave tayo, kaya papatulan natin. By the way, guys, like I said, if you guys like my outfit, mama, mommy, mom, and bro, don't forget to go to description below, down there. All the product that you guys see that I use, I always put in the link. And like I said, if you guys buy it, this mama, this bro can have a commission. Diba? Simple. But anyway, at least, sinasabi ko sa inyo yung totoong product. I tell you guys what's the feel or the truth, what I think about the product. See, like this one, I'm telling you guys, it's very comfortable, okay? And it don't shrunk. I already wash it and I wear it a few times. It's really good. It's very comfortable. If the weather, like a little bit, what you call that one? Chill? Kasi spring, di ba? So, medyo chill siya ng konti. Like I said, it's like Baguio City vibe weather. It's really, really comfortable. But anyway, kasi nga nagugutom na ako, magluluto tayo ng dinuguan. By the way, guys, do I look like the background is so bright? Because you know why? Let me show it to you. Don't mind my washer and dryer kasi naglalaba kami ngayon. Anyway, that one, again, I bought that at Amazon. So I will put the description or link down below. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really bright. Hold on. Let me turn it down the fire really quick so it won't burn. But anyway, let me show you a little bit. Ooh, it's bright. Ganito yung itsura niya, guys. See? Ganyan siya. Yeah. Again, please don't mind my mess. Ayan. Ganyan siya. And let me explain a little bit. Hold on. Okay. Can you guys see it? Okay. Let me explain a little bit about this product. See? The product is really nice. I don't have any complaint. I love it. It's so bright. You guys can tell. And in the back, very adjustable. You can adjust it. Like, you can adjust the brightness, the way you want it, the dimness, the way you like it, the way you prepared. It's really nice. It's really bright. And this one, it has a plastic. If you want a little bit soft light, soft bright, does that make sense? I try my best, to explain to you guys. But all in all, I love it. But this is a catch, okay? When I got this product, I was looking for the tripod. Yes. I was looking for the tripod. I said, what in the heck? I mean, how can I use the light without the stand or tripod? So be aware. But I will put the link again in the description below. So if you guys like me doing the blogging or photo shoots like that, it's really nice product. It's bright, dimmable, bright. You can turn it up to bright. But like I said, it don't come with the tripod. So you have to buy the tripod separate. Okay? So I hope you guys understand my explanation. That's it. Now, let's go back to ating dinuguan. Okay, guys, yung ating garlic And onion is already sauteed. So it's time to put our meat. Oh my goodness. Mm. I already put the meat, and like I always told you guys in my blog, I put a little bit of flavor because I want the flavor kind of soak into the meat. I mean, every household, every houses, they have their own thing, how they do it, the way they cook. But for me, most of the time, I always do that way. I put the meat, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of flavor already, a little bit of vinegar. Oh, nawala na yung plastic, but it's a Dato Puti Filipino vinegar. And then I add salt, and then I add the pepper. And then I will let sit there and get tender. Malambot na yung karne natin, guys. So, ang ginagawa kong technique kasi I learned from my lesson, kapag masyadong mataas yung apoy, tapos i-keep boiling the meat, and then ihuhulog ko yung dugo. Yung dugo nagbubuo-buo. It kind of like how you say that, cramp, like a crumble siya. So I learned na, I don't know if you guys the same thing, same problem like me, but I done it many times na hindi ko tiniturn it down yung fire, tapos nagbubuo-buo yung dugo. So sabi ko, how I can fix it? How I can avoid that. So anyway, ang ginagawa ko, I turn it down the fire, and then, nandito na guys yung dugo. Ihulog ko yung dugo. Tapos, mahina na yung fire, okay? Mahina siya. Tapos, ihuhulog ko siya ng dahan-dahan. Tapos, hahaluin ko. Yeah. I'm gonna keep stirring it hanggang sa maluto yung dugo. Yan. Lalapot pa yan mamaya, guys. Keep stirring it. Kung napapansin nyo guys, yung niya, yung blood, naging na siya, brown. Ibig sabihin yan, luto na. Naluto na siya. Ngayon, ilalagay ko na yung aking coconut milk. Ito guys, isang latang coconut ito. Kasi nabuksan ko na yung lata. Ayoko naman itapon dahil ang mahal-mahal naman ng isang latang coconut ngayon. So, pinrosin ko siya. Ngayon, gagamitin natin kasi sayang naman, diba? Ayan. Haluin din natin para lahat sila mag-blend. Tikpan natin yung final na lasa, yung asim, yung asin. Oops. Let's go eat. I'm hungry. Perfect na siya, guys. Tama-tama, luto na yung fresh nating rice. Naku, mapaparami na naman ang kain na. Papaparami na naman ang kain ko. Daddy, you ready to eat? Okay, let's go eat. Kain tayo, guys. Fresh na fresh. Yeah. Simple lang yung dinuguan natin. Usually, yung mga Bicolano, they add papaya. Dito sa, sa tinitirahan namin, Wala kaming makitang green na papaya. Meron papaya pero puro hinog siya. So, ang ginagamit ko sayote. Improvise. Ooh, hot. It's good. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Ewan ko lang kung ako o baka kayo din. Pag ako nagluluto nito para sa occasion, para sa handa, niluluto ko siya ng, halimbawa yung handaan namin, I cook it on Friday. Para sa akin, kapag 1 day old siya, parang mas masarap siya. So, awan ko kung kayo ganun din o baka ako lang. Kasi, I don't know, parang mas masarap siya the next day. Tapos, naibabalance ko yung asim, nababalance ko pa yung alat. So, hindi ako mag-isa kumakain. Si Mr. nandito, ayaw lang niya sa video. But anyway guys, that's all for now. I will enjoy my dinuguan. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification below. Thank you. Salamat po.